Hello guys, welcome back. As you know that we are proceeding step by step. So for now we will close our Riders app and we will start the admin web portal. So for that purpose click on new Flutter project. Next, here we will give it name as admin underscore web underscore panel or portal, you can say. Okay, admin web panel, and here we will say this is web portal in the description. And as you know, it is for the web, so only checked web, then click create. And also before clicking create, here you have to type your name and then click create. So it will create our admin web panel web project, Flutter web project, as you can see. It has been created successfully. Now we will implement our this admin web panel as well in the MVVM architecture, just like the sellers, riders and users app. Okay, our this complete overall project will be using MVVM architecture. So anyways, let's proceed and let's remove this my home page state, minimize this, and then let's remove it. Also remove these comments, and then the next thing is we can say admin web panel. So first of all, this theme data, we will replace this with a black theme, which is theme data dot copy with, and inside we have scaffold background color dot black, and then remove this home and let's start implementing the view. So right click, leave new directory, we give this name as view, right click on view, new dot file. We will have our first screen or first page, which will be by the name home screen. For now we will create a stateful widget, we will give it name as home screen, material dot and return scaffold widget. Then from the main dot here we can say home screen. So now let's test our application to see if it is working or not. So to test your web application in the terminal, you have to type this command: flutter space run space -d space chrome space -- web -render space html. Okay, this command you have to type. I will also provide this from where you can copy paste. So anyways, once you write this command, press enter, and it is going to launch the web app on your browser. So our app is running now, and you can see that for now we have this empty home screen, because you know that our app starts from the first page, which is home page, and for now we have just this scaffold. And let's remove this debug badge, which we can do so by simply saying debug show check mode banner, set this to false. Now to see the changes, you can hot restart by pressing R or capital R. Okay, here in the terminal just press R and do the refresh, and you will see here